Wondering if you should be curating content for your blog? Well, stay tuned because I'll give you the top 2 reasons why you need to be doing this. Hey guys, it's Ben Medina. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Welcome to day 2 of the daily vlog. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why you should be curating content for your blog, social media, whatever kind of content you're creating. I've been doing this ever since I started blogging and doing social media professionally. And so these are my top 2 reasons why you should be doing this. First reason is that it's pretty easy to create content if you are basing it on other people's stuff, because you don't have to create things out of scratch. You just simply take other people's ideas, jump off of them, maybe give your own spin on it, and there's always other people creating more ideas, so you never run out of stuff to do. Second reason, this is a great reason why you should be creating content, is it gives you an opportunity to create relationships and jumping off points with other people. So if you have other colleagues, other people in your niche, this is a great way for you to actually form relationships by referencing them, and it might lead in the future to some actual collaborations. So those are 2 tips why you should be creating content, and it is really one of the best things you can do. If you're wondering how to use it, or if you're kind of stuck about why should I even do this, I have a checklist on how to use curated content for your online presence. You can check it out. The link is down below in the description. Thanks guys. If you like this video, leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of the daily vlogs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow in vlog number 3.